So my name is Himanshu. I did my MBA in operations from Wellington Institute of Management. Yeah, and and currently and current and currently I'm working as an SAP MM consultant uh, in uh, in uh, in in and currently I'm working as an SAP MM consultant in CK Birla Group Neosim, where I handle the various where I where where I actually handle various procurement such as the consignment and subcontracting. I also did one I also did I also did one I also did one implementation project of the LSMW uh, in which uh, in which our company want to set up uh, a new production line in which they wanted to transfer uh, in which they wanted to create a new material master record. So that's just one introduction from my side.
So what exactly project you did?
Yeah, sir. So basically, first I will give the overview of my company. So means, so means, in my company there are actually two plants within the miss premises, and the company and the company had an and the company had an miss external plant which is actually away from our premises. Which is known as the machine shop. There we actually do the machining of the casting. Yeah. So they wanted to set up a new production line. So they wanted to upload data such as the material master and the info record. So so they had the data in the Excel file. They just wanted to migrate into the into the SAP system.
Yes. So data migration project you did.
Yes, of
ECC to S/4HANA
LSMW.
or like what?
Basically, it was BT, uh, uh, it was on the S4 HANA uh, since uh, s- uh, since we wanted it to upgrade to the S4 HANA, but our old system for the line one and line two, it's still in the ECC.
Okay. So and how many implementation you did?
I just did the couple of them, not more, such as creation of the uh, smart from for the printout and the reports.
Means one end-to-end implementation you did not get just.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. So whatever the project you did, what was exact responsibilities was there? Tell me just in detail.
Yeah. So we had the system. We had the legacy legacy system in the Excel format. We just wanted to upload that Excel format into the into the SAP system. So there was the so there was the upload of the material master, upload of the info record. Yeah. So so the timelines. So the timeline actually started in the February, where we got the data, and plant went till 1 month. So so in the miss so in the 1 month, I have to follow the LSMW steps, in which we wanted to upload the data. For that the for that we had to means do the means implementation in means 1 week, and on the weekend, and on the and on the weekend we used to do the cut over cut over means activity to actually know that the means data has been successfully data has been successfully data has been successfully migrated into the system.
Okay. So any RISEP things did you get chance to work upon? RISEP
Uh,
object?
yes, sir. I did get chance to work in the means RISEP object. For example, the recording which I means implemented. Uh, there was there, there was the means uh, RISEP object which I which I worked on.
Recording in the sense?
The recording for the means LSM LSMW. So yes.
LSMW not comes under the RISEP. RISEP, workflow report, custom smart forms, custom report, enhancement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did some means smart forms for the means smart forms. Uh, sorry. I actually did the reports and the smart forms for my miss company. For that we miss for that I miss for sorry for that I miss combine the combine the table to get the logic. Basically, basically means there was the input, and for the output, what I use that I miss combine the table using the logics.
Okay. So what is your expertise area in material management?
Yeah. So my expertise lies in the consignment and subcontracting.
And others, apart from
Uh,
subcontracting?
Others apart from that, I also have some. I also uh, apart from that, I also have some hands-on means experience on the means PO in means creation of PO, PR, and and I and I means also means implemented and I means also means implemented release strategies. So yes, I have some hands-on experience on that as well.
Okay. So could you tell me like in your last project, so any pricing procedure was there, means any pricing procedure work done is by you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did the means I did the means pricing procedure uh, in which we in which we actually calculated the price of the means delivery charges.
What price?
Sorry.
Come again, what you did exactly?
Uh, so so means uh, so means in the pricing procedure, what we have uh, so in pricing procedure, uh, we have we have so in pricing procedure we have a vendor master which is under the means uh, in pricing procedure I have a in pricing procedure I have a in pricing procedure I have a vendor master under and and in pricing procedure, I have a vendor master in purchasing data where we assign a vendor master schema group uh, separately for the purchase uh, separately for the purchase separately for the purchase organization schema group is schema group is assigned to each purchase organization. Then in then in schema determination, the SAP actually combines the vendor schema group and purchase organization schema uh, and purchase organization schema group to get the to get the means correct pricing procedure.
Okay. Could you tell me, suppose user is creating PO and user is creating like import PO, subcontracting PO. So that particular pricing procedure should come. How
Yes.
that particular pricing procedure will come?
Uh, s- so means as I said that the SAP when we actually means create a PO, then the SAP then the means SAP actually match then the then the SAP actually match the vendor and the purchasing group, and depending on that and depending on that means combination the correct the correct the correct the correct the correct the correct pricing the correct pricing schema gets determined, and from that and from that the pricing is fetched is fetched
Based on what criteria?
uh, uh, based on the means based on the means the based on the supplier we entered and the purchase organization we entered, the pricing procedure uh, uh, is fetched.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. So in pricing procedure, tell me, what are the important fields are there? Like a step counter.
The important fields uh, first is uh, Uh, first is there is the first is the access sequence, which is actually work as the which actually work as the search category for means condition record in condition table. Then there means condition means table where we store the where we store the condition where we store the where we store the condition where we store the condition 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 record for condition record for various key combinations such as vendor plus supplier. So first is the access sequence, then there is the condition record and condition record and condition table.
No, no, no. What are the important fields in a pricing procedure? Step counter.
uh, Sir, I'm not able to recall that.
What is the accrual key?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to.
What is the exclusive? What is the function of exclusive indicator in access sequence?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. So you told you work upon somehow implementation also and migration also. So do you know what is a BAPI, user exit, these technical things, and how these technical things are important to know as a functional consultant?
Uh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have some experience with the BAPI and BDC as well. For that we need a functional and a technical consultant.
What you want to come again?
Yes, sir. I have some experience in the means. the in the Miss BAPI and Miss BDC, which actually comes under the batch input batch input recordings.
Batch input recording means?
Uh, sir, for sir, for example, we have to upload upload means upload means upload from the means from the means non-legacy system. We have to means we have to means first do the first uh, first we have to do the recording and recording in the means recording in the means SAP system. For example, if I want to upload a for example, if I want to upload a material master, then I have to first implement that material master recording in means SAP system. Then after that we have to upload it from the Excel file in that means uh, in uh, in that means step in which we actually in which we actually recorded the recording.
And how it is related with BAPI?
No, sir, I'm actually talking about LSMW.
No, I'm not asking LSMW. LSMW is standard tool. I'm asking about BAPI, user exit, screen exit, bodies.
Uh,
Have you executed any BAPI?
yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've actually executed one means bad uh, bad system.
What?
Yes, sir. I've actually executed a BAPI system. Means I have actually executed a BAPI in my miss company.
Okay. What is the reason?
Um, sir, actually, Sir, actually, they wanted to create the mass upload of PR. For that, instead of means uploading means PR one by one, I I actually means created a uh, BAPI BAPI slash BAPI slash BAPI slash BAPI slash requisition slash create to actually means upload the means mass PR instead of means uploading PR one by one.
Okay. Any user exit you used?
Sorry,
User exit.
I'm not able to get your question. Can you
What is
please?
a user exit?
Sorry, sir, I have no idea. Means I might
Have
have
you
heard,
created
but
FSDs?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have actually created FSD for the smart forms and smart for these smart forms and reports. Also, miss for
So
the
in
miss
smart form, just tell me. So what setting you used? BRA plus or NS setting?
uh,
Do you have knowledge of a output determination?
uh, mm, no, sir. Miss I haven't worked on output determination.
Okay. Okay, fine. Then tell me. Then how you created smart form FSD? So where the condition type that smart form routine was maintained then? Means
Well,
what exactly you did in a smart form FSD?
well, so means in smart form, we wanted, we actually wanted the details of the miss purchase, details of the documents such as PR and PO, to act, uh, uh, to actually miss fetch that miss to actually fetch that details. We used to give the logic. For example, for the miss, if I want the detail uh, about the address in the PR. So it means table, we used to miss enter the logic for example for the PR the the miss the, the miss table is EKKO. In that means uh, in that means table, when we miss enter the plant, when we miss enter the plant, which is EKKO, WERKS, under that under means that tab, we used to get the details of the address or address of the miss supplier. So by that uh, by that we actually uh, so by that I actually created the logics to get them is various details such as the delivery date, quantity, storage, delivery con delivery date, quantity, storage location, etc.
Okay. Okay, fine. So tell me, suppose the user is first tell me, suppose there is a material in storage location, and from that storage location, user in the sense some person is there, or the some like a production person is there, maintenance person is there, so they want to consume the material. So if they had consumed the material, and then what entry will be posted in the system?
Uh, well, then the means uh, supplying plant would be get would be get debited, and the means and the means sorry well well in that case this the supplying plant would be get credited, and the means receiving plant would be debited.
What?
Supplying plant would be credited, and the means
But we are not transferring the material from plant to plant here. We are consuming from one storage location.
uh, well uh,
Do you
well
know
then
good
the
issue to
account,
cost center?
sorry.
Do you know good issue to cost center?
Yes, sir.
What is a good issue to cost center?
Good issue to cost center, for example if I want to uh, if I want to procure some means for means the stationary item, then I would then in means then in means that case I would actually then in that case I would then in that case I would actually give the cost center as for example my means office suppliers
No,
want
no,
the
no,
means.
no, no. I am not asking about procurement. Already there is material in inventory, and from that
Okay.
inventory you are consuming the material.
Yes, yes.
Then what entry will be in the system?
Then the means uh, supplier account gets debited, and the inventory accounts get credited.
How supplier account will come there? Already stock is present in your inventory.
Uh,
Okay, fine. I will ask you another question. Do you know an initial entry of stock?
yes, we do it by Miko.
Okay, what is the moment type? What are the accounting entries, and what is the purpose of that?
Yeah, sir, for the means, sir, so there are means couple of means moment type. For example, means 101. 101 is basically the means transfer of the material from means the vendor to the from means the vendor to the means to our means storage location in our means company, and the alternative is the 103. 103 plus 105 in means 103 the the means stock is actually uh, uh, so in the means 103 the stock is actually is in our premises but not in the means storage means location, and after and after it and after it goes to the storage means location, we do 105.
What I told, what was my question?
How the means stocks gets into the company from vendor. Moment types
I
basically.
asked you initial entry of stock.
So it's 101 equals to 103 plus 105.
103 and 105 is a two-step good receipt. I'm asking you initial entry of stock. Initial entry of stock. Okay, fine. What is a UNBW and NLAG material type?
Yeah, so UNB, uh, sir, so nlog, sir, so nlag is for means non-stock, where we actually don't means measure how much means quantity, and means UNBW is for means the and for UNBW is for the non-valuated. The examples of and like are the stationary items. For example, if we are sending some pens or means Xerox paper, then in that case we do NLAG, and for means UNBW, which is actually means non means valuated. When we send some samples, for example, there is a sample which I want to send to the customer. We don't actually value that. Then we call this at UNBWs.
UNBW, tell me again, UNBW.
UNBW is for means UNBW is for means non-valuated. For example, if we send some sample jigs picture, then we use UNB UNBW. Since it is not means valuated.
What is a quantity status of UNBW?
Well, in the quantity, quantity, uh, well, we actually maintain the but not the prices. Since we actually send it to the suppliers, for example.
Okay. Okay, fine. So explain me subcontracting process where over consumption is there in detail.
Just a minute, so yeah, sir. So in subcontracting, when there is means over means over means consumption. Well, in that case, well, actually, there was one live case which actually happened during my during my means work. Sir, so what happened? We sent the casting. We sent the miss. Sir, so let me actually explain my subcontracting process in my company. So we actually manufacture casting, and and there is a and there is a and there is and there is a special type of casting for which the miss for 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 miss which the miss the coating external coating needs to be applied. Because of some reason, that means coating was expensive. So we don't miss uh, so we uh, so we don't so we don't so we so we actually don't take that process in house. We send it to the to to a miss vendor, and in return and in and in return and in return the vendor used to send us the send us the miss pay, send us the miss painted casting. So for the means overconsumption, the moment type is 121 plus, and the means accounting are the means unpainted for the means unpainted casting. We can say it as a child material. The BSX would get miss BSX would get uh, 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 debited, and GBB VBO would get credited for the means unpainted casting, and for the means painted casting, BSX would get credited, and GBB and GBB VBO would get debited. For the means painted casting, BSX would get credited and BSV would get debited. Yes,
For overconsumption,
yes, sir. For consumption.
BSX will be credited and BSV will be debited.
Yes, for the means
So
parent
parent material is coming
is
in your
coming.
inventory or it is going from your inventory.
No. It is actually coming to our
So it
inventory.
will be
Parent
credited or debited.
credited. No. It will actually be debited.
Okay. Okay, fine. So explain me subcontracting process where scrap is generating at subcontractor end and that you want to return back in your inventory.
Uh, For that, we use the moment type 542, where the miss uh, where the scrap is miss generated. So I don't have much miss experience in scrap, because in my company when we used to send the casting, so there was actually
This is
no
not
scrap.
about the experience. This is about the basic knowledge of a material management.
Yes, uh, for that we use the moment type 542, 542 in the means reversal, in which uh, the means accounting and entries, BSX BSX would be debited, and BSV would be credited.
Where is the process? Where is the key points of the PO? Where is the configuration scope? Where is the process steps?
Uh, Sir, I don't remember.
Explain me intercompany STO.
Uh, Along with them is a process step, with delivery, or without delivery, sir.
Hmm?
With delivery or without delivery.
Intercompany does not having with delivery without delivery. Intercompany means intracompany.
Acha, okay.
Means intercompany is only with the delivery.
Yes.
Without delivery is not option is there.
Uh, so first we have to create. So first we have to create a receiver, receiver. Uh, so you want for intra, if I'm not wrong.
Intercompany STO, company code to company code.
Uh, Sir, first we have to create first we have to create a first we have to create a receiving plant as the miss customer, then the miss supplying plant as the vendor. Then we have to make sure that that then we have to make sure the vendor master is that the miss vendor master is present in miss both plant. After that, then we have to the define shipping data. After that means we have to configure delivery 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 type and delivery type and availability checked by the plant. Then we have to define shipping point shipping point shipping shipping point ship then we have to define shipping point determination. After that we have to define the means after that we have to define the item category and item category and determination in deliveries. Then we have to assign dock types one step dock types one step one step one step procedure and means under delivery under delivery tolerance.
Process steps. What
Yes, sir.
what is
This
a delivery type here?
sorry.
Delivery type?
Under delivery.
No,
Uh,
no, no.
un-
Delivery type. What is a delivery type will be used here?
Sir, we have to configure that by
What is the
con-
NLCC?
sorry.
NLCC. What is the NLCC?
Uh, Sir, I am not able to recall that.
What are the process steps of intercompany?
Intra company.
Inter. Company code to company code.
Uh, so for that we have to create these supplier plant and supplier plant and the supplier plant and receiver receiver.
Process steps from PO, good issue, bill, PGI, billing, good receipt, invoicing. That I am asking. Process steps.
Sir, so means sir, so first we have to first we have to first we have to create create a PO. Then we actually have to give the document type for means intra we give UB and for inter we give NP. And then we have to create the sorry then we have to select the then we have to select the item category as item category uh, uh, item category as LNN, and then the and then and then we go for the outbound outbound means delivery. There are actually two for means uh, one is the VL one is the VL10B and other is VL10D. Then we have to go good good issue which has the moment type of 351 uh, 351
351
350.
comes in intra-company STO. We are discussing inter-company STO. Have you executed intercompany STO in the system?
Yes, sir, I have.
How many times?
So just one time.
Okay, 1 second. What is your user ID?
Uh, mm,
Uh, just
Himanshu,
mention on the chat box.
just
It was successful execution of complete
Yes, sir.
process.
Yes, sir. It was successful.
I cannot see. Only total 37 PO is created by your user ID in entire training.
From my side.
Yeah, 37 POs only.
Is it intercompany or inter? I don't know.
Even this is a intercompany is incomplete. It is showing incomplete. That
Incomplete
also
in what
document
sense,
on
sir?
hold.
I mean, uh,
Other intra-company STO, 3 POs I can see, but only PO has been created. No further process has been done.
okay, sir.
Himanshu, I will suggest you uh, so conceptual things, so it needs to improve. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
like many things are there, like pricing, your account determination, inventories entry, okay, inventory
Yes,
transactions, intercompany STO, that you need to practice on it.
yes, sir. Sir, I would practice it
So
thoroughly.
at least suppose if you are working on a intercompany STO, na, at
Sorry,
least
sir.
then if you let's consider example, if you are working on a or like if you are practicing intercompany STO, at least 10 cycles should be executed in the system. Then you will get a proper competence how the company is working. Accounting entries are wrong. Even process steps are wrong. So that's why I'm telling you. Even only one document is there that is created on hold. Okay.
Okay,
So practice it. We will conduct again. Okay.
okay, sir. No, no issues. Sir,
So
apart
that is
from that,
only one
anything, sir?
feedback. And once whenever you are explaining the RISE na, so means you are not explaining the enhancement. Only smart form report and smart form report. Enhancement should be there. If anyone is
Okay,
asking what kind of RISE you did, enhancement word should come first because we have seen enhancement. We have discussed task on the enhancements.
yes,
Okay,
sir. Okay, sir. So,
fine.
can you schedule my interview next week? I would be preparing
Yeah,
this week.
prepare it
To,
fully. Then we will
okay, sir.
schedule it. Okay.
Uh, Sir, apart from that,
I
have
think I think
how?
even subcontracting, even like a this is not about a scheduling interview. This is about a completing practice. So interview we can schedule. That is not a big challenge.
Uh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. No issues.
Even in entire training, if you are creating only 37 PO for practice, so you can figure out how
Yes,
much practice you needed.
yes, sir.
Okay, and this is not about only theoretical.
Yes.
First, first practice in system, then prepare your answer.
Uh, so
Okay.
can you just repeat at which point which I have to practice?
A1 complete entire material management, start from order structure and complete the practice.
Uh, okay,
Each
sir.
and every
Okay,
point.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
Configuration will not take more than 2 days. The configurations are easy. Special procurements, your intercompany STO, inventory transaction. So at least 5 to 10 cycle you should run for every process.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Thank you.